Welcome to a transformation journey at Prestige Auto Appearance, where we elevate the essence of elegance and protection. Behold the majestic white Audi A5 radiating brilliance and shielded by the formidable Prestige armor. Watch the masters at work. David, Christian, and Devian are skilled artisans meticulously applying paint protection film and the resilient ceramic coating, ensuring every inch of your vehicle is protected. And let's not forget the ceramic window tints. A fusion of aesthetics and protection, shielding you from harmful UV rays and adding that touch of mystique to your ride. Step outside and witness the culmination of precision and passion. A white Audi A5 reborn, ready to conquer the roads with its newfound armor. Prestige Armor's promise is not just in its unparalleled protection, but in its enduring commitment backed by a lifetime warranty. Desire the Prestige Armor package for your vehicle? Reach out to Prestige Auto Appearance, where excellence meets craftsmanship. Call us today at 610-904-9996.